Hello, 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 welcome. This is Nestor with Group 3. We are at a totally different city today. Excuse me, it's so bright out, it's unbelievable. Let me give you some hints about the city that we are in. Maybe you can take a guess. So some nicknames for this city is the city that works, the second city, the white city, the city of big shoulders, and the most important, the windy city. That is correct, ladies and gentlemen. We are at the famous Chicago, Illinois. Yeah. Woo. Is the famous Trump Tower. Gonna walk down there, so even though it's during the day, you don't want to be caught in those tunnels. So look at that big difference. Look how nice it is out here. Look how scary and spooky it is down there. Wow, again, this is the Magnificent Mile. Oh, it says right there, honorary Magnificent Mile. There's the boat we're gonna take docking. There's the top side. And there's the back side. This is the river walk. If you ever want to walk here, that is where you want to be. There's more walking on the other side over there, but no more people today. Hello.
Thank you. Every single bridge on this tour looks different. None of the bridges look the same. They're all unique. And every single bridge on this tour lifts. Chicago actually has the most moving bridges of any city in the world except one. This building is another wedding cake of a building, isn't it? This is more European revivalism than European religious architecture in American office buildings. the day. It'll get busy later today, I guarantee you, especially during lunch hour. When the weather is good like this in Chicago, Chicagoans go outside, period. Now this building is now an office building, the Reed Murdoch, and it's another style of architecture called Prairie School. Low, flat lines, like a prairie. This style of architecture is Art Deco, that futuristic style I mentioned in the hallway in between the Wrigley buildings. It's all about vertical in Art Deco. Vertical lines, the windows, raising your eyes up the building, the setbacks at the top like a staircase into the heavens, and then the geometry. That was from before I was born, but this is inspired by that. So this construction site is Wolf Point South. Its real name is going to be Salesforce Tower. Bridges with L tracks at the top. Good morning. Hey. The green line heading out here 3 times on this tour. So we're heading north on the North Branch next. Now let me wrap up this construction site here. This office tower is going to end up twice as tall as this building on the right. That's its residential neighbor, complete Wolf Point West. It's also got Wolf Point East on the other side. Together they're Wolf Point Towers by Pelly Clark Pelly. On the North Branch, everything you're looking at is residential, except this on the right. This is the East Bank Club, high-end athletic facility. Oprah used to work out here. It's the fanciest gym in Chicago. Now we're going to turn around here. Circle windows with spinning fans. What is producing exhaust under that building? That's railroad tracks. Amtrak Railroad owns all the land on the right-hand side of the boat moving forward. This is Wacker Drive, 3 layers. Wacker Drive curves along with the river on the south and the main branches. The 3 layers here each have a name. The top layer is Upper Wacker, the middle layer is Lower Wacker. That city plan was written by an architect, Daniel Burnham. I've got to mention him. If you've ever read the book, The Devil in the White City, you know who Daniel Burnham is. In the late 1800s, when this river was a dump, it was so full of pollution that it was tainting Chicago's drinking water, and Chicagoans were dying from drinking city water. It was a public health nightmare. A lot of people were dying of things like cholera, typhoid, waterborne illness.